we are going to learn the color coding chopping board. Why it is important and how you will be, what is the process and what is very important. So going to be first step, second step and third step. First when you going to be with the chopping board, so what is very important? You have to be fix first your chopping board. Okay? So chopping board, not if you not fix downstairs, what happen? If you put like that, it will jump. Chances you can cut your hand. So first and basic thing, when you work, your workplace should be comfortable, fix, relax. Not like that, then when you cut and somebody push you, your hand will go. So first you need to be start. Take the tissue paper, put it here, put some water. Check. Now you see. It's not moving. That means it's fixed. Very important. Now it's fixed. Now come up the second one. So when you start, your knife supposed to be sword, chopping board need to be fixed. Now we're going to point color coding. First thing, why it is important to color code? Anybody? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Exactly. What happened? The knife, if you cut vegetables, and then same knife you cut chicken or lamb or beef, anything, the bacteria which have here transferred in the knife, and when this you cut, transfer in the vegetable. So this is called cross contamination. What happened after cross contamination? If the chicken has salmonella and there is too many bacteria, it grow of chance of food poison, diarrhea, vomiting, and then have lots of cause of maybe sick, people die. So very important, very basic important things, but very important. Always care with the chicken, because chicken is very sensitive. It's very sensitive. So chicken, when you cook, when you make, keep alert that when you touch, you should be wash your hand. The process which I teach you previous one. Wash your hand. When you make one item, you do another item, need to be wash your hand, then start. Otherwise your cross contamination happens. Okay? And always care, because this is the guest comes, it trusts you. So we have to be very careful about that. So now come the point. Chopping board for vegetables. All vegetables we can cut by green. Very common sense. Why green? Because mostly green it is make your life easy. So that's why you make an easy to understand green. Green knife, green chopping. Okay? You cut, finish, sanitize, same green. If you come chicken, what's the color? Yellow. It's same. If you come to why there is red meat. All items, because it's common sense. If you little bit use your common sense. Cooking is nothing. Cooking is your knowledge, common sense on your last. If you know, you can cook, you can make. We are the artists. So always remember common sense. Red meat. So always careful about that. White, dairy product. So all the dairy products comes to here. Then seafood. Umi is just say, so why the blue? Because like sea water. So common sense they use for the sea water is blue. Blue chopping board, the blue knife. Cooked. Always remember, in every hotel the pork is different. But in our hotel, the cooked item in brown. So what we learn, we make individual chopping board, individual items. We're not supposed to be cut chicken here. If you cut, what happens? Cross contamination. So always keep the note. Finish the job, sanitize, wash back up, go studying, clean it, give it to another chopping board. We have chopping board itself, and always we maintain this standard. If somebody is doing chopping board here, knife here, so what happens? You are careless. It will not accept it. As law, you should be clean, especially for raw. and same I could cut a cooked item. What happens? The bacteria will group comes directly here, and when they eat. So now you understand why chopping board is needed, why color coding chopping board with the knife, and what is important for us. Okay? Any question? Okay. So that's a very important part which I already given to lesson, the chopping board. Even your house or your home, try to make for vegetable, green, and for meat separate. Basically for chicken. Chicken is very sensitive, careful, because if you mistake, there is a chance to be sick. Thank you for watching the videos.